Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Srikanth Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with the topic that is a non-renal excretion of the drug. In earlier videos I explained the sum of the renal as well as the sum of the non-renal excretion. So that is in detail we discussed biliary excretion as well as the salivary excretion. In this class we are planned for the excretion of the drug by the route pulmonary and also the skin excretion. Two routes of the excretion is also very much important in our body. So the pulmonary excretion, as you know that when you inhale like a gaseous or volatile substances, so what happen through the lungs, it will be gets into the lungs and by the common diffusion process. So whenever general anesthesia is absorbed through the lungs, so you can expect the elimination or excretion of the drugs through the lungs is also possible. Hence some of the gaseous example are the general anesthesia. Halothane is there na, when you inhale 2-3 through the lungs, so it will be absorbed through the passive mechanism through the lungs. Similarly it will be expelled from through the lungs. So the excretion of the pulmonary mainly depend upon the one is a pulmonary blood flow, second is the rate of respiration and third is the solubility of the volatile substances. These three are the mainly the factor which influencing the rate of excretion through the pulmonary route. And alcohol is excretion by the lungs very slowly when comparing with the nitrous oxide, which is having the less solubility in a blood and excreted rapidly. Okay student, आज हम लोग जानकारी लेने वाले pulmonary excretion of drug. ये भी एक route of excretion of drug in the it will comes under the non-renal excretion of the drug. जैसे gases रहता है, volatile substance रहता है ना, जैसे हम लोग अंदर inhale करते through lungs, so by simple diffusion mechanism, similarly excretion भी हो जाता है. So that is why जो भी pulmonary excretion जो भी रहता है ना, mainly factor pulmonary blood flow, respiration that is a rate of respiration, solubility of volatile substance, ये तीन फैक्टर के हिसाब से the rate of excretion will takes place. जैसे समझ लीजिए अल्कोहल लेते हैं, जैसे अल्कोहल लेने के बाद उसके बाजू बैठे तो हम लोगों को थोड़ा स्मेल आता है, मतलब क्या हो जाता है, अल्कोहल excreting through the lungs. Okay, so similarly nitrous oxide has a less solubility in blood but excreted very rapidly through the pulmonary excretion. So next comes the skin excretion. The major some of the drugs also excreted in the form of a skin excretion. Take an example, benzoic acid, salicylic acid and alcohol and heavy metals like lead, mercury, arsenic are commonly which will be excreted in the form of a sweat. So with the sweat the drugs and its metabolite will be excreted. Drug excretion through the skin is mainly with respect to the sweat which is secreted to our body. So mainly the excretion is mainly depend upon the pH partition hypothesis. So I told in the previous video the tendency of acids to accumulate in the basic fluid compartment and vice versa. So mainly the skin reaction or irritation is mainly depend upon the excretion of your skin. So if the skin is producing proper sweat, means the excretion of these metals or these compounds will be excreted easily. So if it is any skin is not producing, means the skin is become dry and it may lead to the itching, rashes or the skin burns. So hence the sweat is very much important for the human body to excrete some of the components like a benzoic acid, salicylic acid, alcohol and heavy metals like the arsenic, lead, mercury are commonly excreted in the sweat. So जैसे मैंने समझाया skin is another important component for the excretion of our body. जो भी जैसे ड्रग रहता है ना, जैसे मेटल्स रहता है ना, हेवी मेटल्स, लेड, मर्क्यूरी, ये रूट से एक्सक्रीशन हो जाता है. ये जो एक्सक्रीशन होता है स्किन से खास करको दी प्रिंसिपल पीएच पार्टीशन हाइपोथेसिस रहता है. मैं समझता हूँ एक क्लास से आपको बहुत ही सरल से द नॉन रीनल रूट ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन with respect to the pulmonary excretion as well as the skin excretion. Thank you very much for watching this video.